What's up guys? In this video, we're going to install Google Meet on Windows 11. So as far as the computer PC is concerned, we always go to this browser and then try to enter the meeting and use it. You can install the app on your Android or iOS phone. Even I have checked here in Microsoft Store for the Google Meet and I haven't found any app to install Google Meet. So most of us use browser to access the app, and that creates an issue because if you're doing so many things in the browser and you also use Google Meet, the computer gets laggy. So it's better if you use Google Meet as an application. It's a pretty easy and straightforward process to install the Google Meet, and your browser will be free. You need to be in this page meet.google.com. So once you are here in meet.google.com, here we need to click on this three dots, and in the middle we will find install Google Meet. Now the catch is, if you open any different page, you will not get that option to install. So for that, we just need to open this meet.google.com and then click on this three dots and click on install Google Meet. So once you click on that, it asks install app Google Meet install. So I just clicked on that and here we go. We have this separate browser, and let me just minimize it. And here you have also got the icon of Google Meet. You can allow your camera and mic right here or from here. If you want to uninstall it, you just need to click on this three dots and you can click on uninstall Google Meet. It's really a convenient thing to use the Google Meet as an application on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Enjoy the Google Meet. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.